Good morning, one and all. My name is Khushbu Kushwaha. My presentation topic is security threats in cloud computing and its prevention technique. First, what do you mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is a service providing for services which we can use anywhere, anyplace, anytime according to our requirement. Cloud computing provides services like data storage, infrastructure, application, and platform. Cloud computing is a computing model in which resources are characteristics of cloud computing. There are total 6 characteristics: on-demand self-services, broad network access, resourceful services, rapid elasticity, pay as you go. The services which we use, we have to pay for that. Measured services, the services which we are used will be monitored, controlled, and metered. Types of cloud computing. First, SaaS, software as a services, is a service of cloud computing that provides the software application to the consumer available over the internet. PaaS, platform as a services, is a type of cloud computing which allows customers to develop, run, and manage the applications. Third, IaaS, infrastructure as a services, refers to the hardware, network equipment, and web hosting. Cloud computing deployment model. Private model belongs to a single organization. Public model will be accessible to all the consumers. Hybrid cloud is a combination of private and public cloud. Community cloud belongs to a various organization and companies which belongs to the same community with the common concern. Advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Advantages are economical, reliable, manageable data centers, and proper security. Disadvantages of cloud computing: internet connectivity, lower bandwidth, effect of speed, security issues, and variation in cost. Risks and challenges of cloud computing. First, security and privacy. Because data is stored over the internet, it should be secure and confidentiality of the data must be maintained. Portability, data can be migrated from one resource to another, so that portability must be there. Reliable and flexible, data should not be leaked. Cost, according to user requirement we have to pay. If customer demand customization, it can be expensive. Downtime, cloud computing, as no cloud providers guarantee a platform that is free from downtime. Measures and control in cloud security: preventive control, deterrent control, detective control, and corrective controls. Preventive control will reduce the attack on the cloud. Deterrent control will inform or give warning to the third level authorized person. Detective control, if there is an attack, the detective control will inform the user to perform corrective control and address the issue. Corrective control, this control reduces the consequences of an incident by putting a halt on damage. Cloud security precaution: one should be familiar where data is stored. Second, there should be a snapshot of data, and data should be stored in different places. Third, the cloud provider should be trustworthy, then make sure the data center is seriously secure. Fourth one is proper testing should be done, how to make sure data, everything is secure. Thank you so much.